check out my watch, it's a plain one. Ooh, my brother's banging. Told that bitch come to my light, this shit dangerous. I ain't even famous, I need a bag. Let's go erase it.
What's up guys, Benevolent. Today I'm showing y'all how to sound like Slump6s in this new single, Steppin on Racks, that just came out a couple weeks ago. If you guys haven't heard this song before, this is Steppin on Racks by Slump6s.
Yeah, check out my watch, it's a plain one. My niggas banging. Told the bitch come to my light, this shit dangerous. I ain't even famous, I need a bag. Let's go erase it. How about this tag? You couldn't even pay that. Bitch, where you at? I'm tryna slay that. It's gonna be dead. That's my little baby. My pocket's fat. I ain't little baby. How about a jet? Straight to the range. We out in Cali, smoking on great gas. But in Cali, I use a latex. Told the little bitch to relax. I told the bitch to get back. I just be stepping on money. Overly stepping on racks. But you see that ain't the markets. I shop at different departments. And then we blowing the breeze. My pockets look like a Martian.
So yeah, that was Steppin on Racks by Slump6s. Now, as always, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off all of these presets and show you guys my raw vocals. And this one's pretty bad because I was like screaming in the ad-libs to try to replicate his ad-libs. So like this is gonna sound really bad.
Yeah, check out my watch, it's a plain one. My brother's banging. Told that bitch come to my light, this shit dangerous. I ain't even famous, I need a bag. Let's go erase that. Hop in this tag, you couldn't even pay that. Bitch, where you at? I'm tryna slay that. Bitch, call me dead. That's my little baby.
Okay, you've heard enough. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn on all these presets, and this is what it sounds like.
Yeah, check out my watch, it's a plain one. My brother's banging. Told that bitch come to my light, this shit dangerous. I ain't even famous, I need a bag. Let's go erase it. Hop in this tag, you couldn't even pay that. Bitch, where you at? I'm tryna slay that. Bitch, call me dead. That's my little baby. My pocket's fat. I ain't little baby. How about a jet? Straight to the range. We out in Cali, smoking on crack ass. Austin in Cali, I use a latex. Told the little bitch to relax. I told that bitch to get big. I just be stepping on money. Overly stepping on rate. Let's go. Fuck this shit, I don't even market. I shop in different departments. In love with blue and the green. My pockets look like a Martian.
So yeah, that's what my presets sound like. This song is so tough, bro. I'm not gonna lie. The song has me hyped for Slump6s new album. The only thing I didn't really like in this song is where he does like the deep voice stuff later in the song. But I'm just hoping the rest of the album sounds like this. But yeah, I think I got the preset pretty accurate, and low-key, this is one of my favorite presets I've made recently. So definitely go try out this preset. This preset will be completely free in the Discord. The only preset used in this video that isn't free is this master preset, which for this video I did use my best waves master preset, which is $10 on my website, BNVLNT.shop. But if you'd rather get this entire FLP that comes with everything you see on your screen, as well as a template ready to record in with all of these presets set up for you, as well as my best waves master preset and my best stock master preset for those of you guys that don't have waves plugins, all of that will be on my website for just $15. And also, I just want to say real quick, thank you guys for all of the support recently. Last year was actually insane. I graduated college and then immediately after started making enough from presets to live, which is just like insane to me because I thought I was gonna have to go search for a job, get a marketing job. You guys have essentially changed my life. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep giving back to you guys, keep giving you guys free presets, and keep trying to make the best videos I possibly can and keep improving as an artist at the same time. So if you guys want to come along with me for this journey, hit that subscribe button. And if you guys want to support me, as always, BNVLNT.shop. But if you guys just want the free presets, that is completely fine. All you have to do is click the Discord link in the description, scroll down here to where it says Benevolent Presets, and all of these Slump6s presets will be right here. And if you scroll up, there's hundreds of free presets in this channel. So go get some presets and go make some good music. But yeah, there isn't much crazy stuff going on in this preset. There is a delay bus, and I have the main just being sent at 100%, and then I just turned the delay bus down, and it doesn't even have sidechain compressor. It's literally just a delay with a bunch of reverb on it because I thought it sounded better like that. So yeah, nothing crazy there. I'm gonna show you guys the auto-tune settings just in case you guys do have different auto-tunes than me. This song is in the key of D minor. I use a retune speed of 1 and a humanize of 7. But yeah, I automated this, and for those of you guys that just get my free presets and don't go buy the FLP to automate this, all you do is you move this knob right here, and then once you move it, if you right click here and click on this, it'll show you your last tweaked parameter right here, and you just click create automation clip. And then essentially what this does is it makes this automation clip where you could change the formant shifting on the preset, which is how I got this deep voice effect right here.
My pockets look like a Martian.
And then like if you wanted to go crazy, you want to go the other way, you want to make it high pitch, you could turn it down like this.
My pockets look like a Martian.
But yeah, that's how you use the automation clip, and all I did with it is just turned it up to, what did I say, about 72% here to get that deep voice effect.
My pockets look like a Martian.
And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Everything else is pretty standard. So yeah, if this video helped you out at all, please leave a like, comment which artists you want to see me do next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.